Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Suzuki Boulevard C50 Touring Cruiser. 805cc VTwin, liquid cooled, fuel injected, classic style cruiser. It's got the big touring windscreen, highway bars, rider floorboards, beautiful white wall tires, studded seat, hard case locking luggage. Only 2,600 miles. Beautiful metallic sparkle black for this shaft drive V-twin 800cc cruiser. Heel toe shifter. This is the classic style you've been waiting for. Only 2,600 miles. Price to sell just $59.99. Come by, check it out. Makes an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.